In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate a workflow using make.com, which you might remember as Integromat. This should help make regular tasks more streamlined and efficient, saving you both time and effort. To get started, we'll first want to make sure you're logged into your make.com account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up by heading over to their website and following the easy sign up process. Once you're all set with logging in, it's time to dive into creating your very first scenario. Creating a new scenario is a lot like setting the framework for your workflow. It's the space where all the actions and triggers you want to automate will live. To create one, look for the Create Scenario button on your dashboard. Click on it, and it will start loading up an editor interface where the magic happens. Here is where you get to decide what apps or tools you want to blend together in your automation journey. Next, we'll focus on adding the Microsoft Teams module. This is essential if your goal involves automating tasks related to communication within Teams. In the scenario editor, click the big plus sign to add a module and search for Microsoft Teams in the library of available apps. Once you find it, select it, and you'll be prompted to authenticate your Microsoft Teams account. Don't worry, make.com will guide you through the authentication step, ensuring your accounts are securely linked. Once authenticated, you can start selecting specific actions or triggers within Microsoft Teams. For instance, you might want the scenario to trigger whenever there's a new message, or perhaps you'd prefer it sends out a message based on a certain action. Choose whatever aligns best with your goal. Another fantastic feature of make.com scenarios is their capacity for integration. You can link Microsoft Teams with other apps or services, creating a powerful cross-platform workflow. Whether it's syncing data with your calendar or integrating with a project management tool, explore the many possibilities by adding the necessary modules. Just click that plus sign again to include more apps into your scenario. With everything set up, we're almost at the finish line. You'll want to ensure your scenario runs smoothly, so hit the run button to test it out. Observe its execution to make sure everything works as intended. Once you've confirmed, it's time to schedule. Whether it's an hourly, daily, or custom schedule you're after, toolsandmake.com offers several scheduling options to accommodate your needs. Simply set your preference and rest assured that these recurring tasks will now be managed effectively and automatically. And there you have it. You've built an automated workflow using make.com and Microsoft Teams. Remember, automation is all about making our day-to-day easier, so feel free to experiment and expand this setup with even more tools as your needs evolve. Thank you for tuning in, and happy automating.